Welcome to our Kitchen Essentials Showcase featuring the range Kleen BP100 Porcelain Broiler Pan with Chrome Grill, a two-piece set in sleek black and 16.5 inches wide. This broiler pan promotes fat-free cooking by allowing drippings to drain away, giving your meats a healthier, crisp finish your family will enjoy. Made from heavy-duty porcelain on steel, it offers durable construction that withstands heat up to 1025 degrees Fahrenheit. The stylish chrome grill and porcelain base not only look great but also make it versatile for use as a baking dish or even on an outdoor grill. Cleaning is a breeze with the base pan dishwasher-safe and hand washing recommended for the chrome grill. Designed with OEM quality, this broiler pan ensures long-lasting performance for your kitchen. Experience a healthier, easier way to broil your favorite meals with this reliable and stylish pan. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.